examination for class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student, where the maximum batch size will be 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor team to track and work on students' progress will be assigned. We cover your school syllabus as per your school examination schedule, and also we handle custom requests. Yes, our key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report on monthly basis. Students can take Swift Learn academic test series, which is conducted every Sunday, where a student can win a scholarship up till rupees 1 lakh. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and the test will be in subjective nature, and this will be test for your school examinations. So why are you waiting? Book a free trial class today. Yes, students, those who are new, okay, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Yes, today's topic of discussion is area of parallelogram and triangles, the second part. Yes, students, those who are in the live stream, okay, like comment your name in the screen below. Let me know in which standard are you studying in. Yes, so should we begin our today's class then? Yes. Today's objective will be we will recall about the base and how figures are between the two parallels. Learn about the figures on the same base between the same parallels. Learn about the parallelograms on same base and between the same parallels. All these things we will learn in today's class. In the last class, we have studied about the base and altitudes of the figures. So can you define me what is base, what is altitude? Yes, let us define this. Base. A base is one side of a polygon usually used as a reference side for other measurements. So what is this base? It is one side, any one side of a polygon, which is usually used as a reference side for other measurements. Now, what is altitude? The line through the vertex of a figure which is perpendicular to the base. The line which passes through the vertex of the polygon and perpendicular to the base, that is altitude. Yes, now see here. Okay, in this parallelogram, this side is a base and line joining the vertex opposite side of the base and is perpendicular to the base, that is altitude. Yes. Now, can you tell me? Yes, can you tell me the base and altitudes in this figure? Yes, the base of the triangle, this is the base of the triangle, and altitude is, we need to draw one. Okay, let me draw the altitude. Yes. Okay, line joining opposite vertex from the base and which is perpendicular to the base, that is altitude. Here, this is the altitude. Here, same thing. Okay, this is the altitude and this is the base of a parallelogram. Okay, now how can we find the lines? How can we find the parallel lines or sides in a two figures like parallelogram or a rectangle? How can we find whether the two lines are parallel? Okay, now see this. Two lines are parallel if they are at a same distance apart, which never meet. Now take an example of the square. Now these two lines, okay, take a point on this line and take the same point on the opposite line. Okay, now this distance, say suppose it is 3 centimeter. Okay, now take another same points, that distance also should be 3 centimeters. Take again two distinctive points, that distance between the 2 points, okay, all the points should be same, so two lines are said to be parallel and these lines they never meet. Okay, similarly here, these two lines are parallel, these two lines are parallel. Okay, these two lines are parallel in this. So these are what are parallel lines. Yes. Now, how can two figures be on the same base and can be parallel? Okay, this is a question which we will answer it now. Now, figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Now, two geometrical figures are said to be on the same base and between the same parallels if the conditions are like this: they have a common side as base and vertex, okay, opposite to the common base lie on the same parallel to the base. Okay, they should have a same base. This is the first condition. And a vertex should lie on the parallel line. Okay, parallel line, and this line is parallel to the base. Okay, if this is the condition, we can say those are between the same base and same parallels. Now take an example of this. QR is the same base. Here QR is the same base and PS are same parallels. Okay, see, PS is parallel to QR. Okay, same base of for this triangle and for this parallelogram and same parallel. Okay, these two figures are said to be on the same parallel and same base. Yes. Now take this example in the figure which is illustrated. DC is the common base. Okay, and DC and AB are two parallel lines. Now see this figure ABCD and PCD. Okay, this is a triangle, this is a trapezium. Both of them, they are on the same line. Yes, they are between the same base and between the same parallels. Now did you know something about the parallelogram? Okay, so parallelogram is a straight figure with opposite sides parallel and equal in length. In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. Yes, we know this. Opposite sides are equal in length. Yes, that also we know. And opposite angles are also equal. So these are the properties of a parallelogram. क्या है तीन properties? Opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are equal, and opposite angles are equal. Okay, these are the three properties of a parallelogram. Yes, if two parallelograms have same base and have same parallels, then the area will be same or not. Okay, read this statement. There are two parallelograms which have same base, okay, agreed, and same parallel sides. Then will the area be same or not? Okay, so yes is the answer, but we need to prove it. Okay, how to prove it? See here, these are the steps. Parallelogram between the same base and between the same parallelograms. Yes, the answer is yes. The parallelograms between the same base and lying between the same parallel lines will have equal areas. Okay, now what is the area? Okay, so area is the size of a surface. Area is a measure of how much space there is on a flat surface. Let us learn about the area of a parallelogram with an example. Okay, let us take this example of the swimming pool. Okay, now, okay, or let us take this area, let us take an example of this parallelogram. Draw a parallelogram ABCD. Okay, ABCD हमने एक parallelogram draw किया on a paper or on a cardboard sheet. Now draw a line segment D. Draw any line segment DE. Okay, now next what you need to do is cut this. Cut a triangle A dash D dash EE congruent to ADE, okay, on a separate sheet with the help of a tracing paper. Separate sheet में ये draw करके cut करो, okay, and place triangle A dash D dash E dash in such a way that AD coincides with BC. Okay, A dash D dash coincides with BC. Okay, now draw this on separately, उसको name करो, cut करो and place it like this. Okay, such that it coincides BC. Now there are two parallelograms ABCD. देखो ABCD and E dash CD dash. Okay, now on the same base and DC between the same parallels. See, between the same parallels AE dash and DC. Okay, same base है DC and same parallels है AE dash and DC. Okay, these are the two parallels. And now see this. Therefore, area of ADE, area of triangle ADE is equal to triangle area of triangle A dash D dash E because we have traced it. Okay, and area of triangle ABCD, the parallelogram is equal to area of the triangle ADE agreed plus the remaining area EBCD. Okay, this is E, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay, now this is equal to this plus this. Yes, and area of that is equal to area of A dash E dash D dash plus area of triangle EBCD. Yes, which is equal to area. Okay, adding this to this and this will give you area of E dash CD. Yes, now so the two parallelograms now have equal areas. Okay, now see here how equal areas short में बताना है तो now take this parallelogram ABCD that is equal to yes, that is equal to this area of triangle 1 plus the parallelogram 2. Okay, quadrilateral to add this 1 and 2 you get the area of a parallelogram ABC. Now consider this E dash C D dash. Okay, let this be triangle 3, area of the triangle 3 plus area of the quadrilateral 2. Okay, this is equal to entire this. Now since this and this are equal, this is the common area, so we can say the two parallelograms have equal areas. Okay, yes. Now let us visualize it here. Okay, now see here. Okay, it is taking time to load. Let it load. We will show this. I will show you this. Okay, now what is this? क्या है ये? This is a triangle and the area of this triangle is given by half base into height. Yes. Now take a same area triangle and flip it like this. Okay. Flip it like this. Dekho. See, I've taken a same area of a triangle and I am flipping it like this. Now what do we have? We have a parallelogram. Okay. Now can I say area of triangle is half the area of a parallelogram? Yes. Or twice the area of the, sorry, half the area of parallelogram is equal to area of a triangle. Or 2 times area of triangle is equal to area of a parallelogram. Yes. This I can say with this example which you saw now. Now, let us solve some problems. Yes, students, those who are there, can you comment your name and also in which standard are you studying? I would like to know this. Students who are new, please subscribe to this channel so that you will never miss an update. Yes, now two parallelograms ABCD. Okay, where is the parallelogram ABCD and EFCD? EFCD on the same base DC. Okay, they have told it is on the same base DC and between the same parallels AF and TC. Yes. Okay, prove that area of a triangle ABCD. Okay, ABCD is equal to area of the parallelogram EFCD. Okay, we need to prove parallelograms have same areas. Yes. Now see the solution here. In triangle ADE and triangle BCF. Okay, ADE. This is the triangle and triangle BCF. Okay, now we need to prove them they are congruent. How to prove they are congruent? Now see, this is a parallelogram, so ADE is equal to BC. Yes. Okay, let us talk about the angles first. Okay, angle DAE. DAE. This angle is equal to CBF. Yes, corresponding angles, because AD is parallel to BC and this is a line. So corresponding angles are equal. Yes, from the same transversal. AF. Now, next angle AED is equal to BFC. Angle AED is equal to BFC. Okay, let me draw it for you. Okay, this angle is equal to this angle. Corresponding angles bola hai. This angle also is equal to this angle. Okay, how? Same corresponding angles. DE is parallel to CF. This is the transversal. Okay, so angles, corresponding angles are same. Yes. Now, if two angles are equal, obviously third angle will be equal, right? Yes, because sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180. Already two angles are same, तो ये same रहेगा. Now, okay. Now, therefore, angle ADE is equal to BCF. Now, all the three angles are equal, so they are similar, but we want to prove them as congruent. तो now देखो यहाँ पे. Yes. Now, AD is equal to BC. Yes, AD is equal to BC. Why? Because they are sides of a parallelogram ABCD. Now, this side is similar to this side. Yes, this side is same as this side. They are equal in length. The two angles are equal using ASA. Okay, congruency, like these two triangles are congruent. ASA postulate, these two triangles are congruent. Now, if these two triangles are congruent, they have equal areas. Yes. Now, since these two triangles are congruent using ASA rule, okay, and this three, so therefore area of triangle ADE will be equal to area of triangle BCF. BCF. Now, this and this, they are equal. Now, what is area of a area of a parallelogram ABCD? Area of a parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of this triangle plus area of this quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral 1 plus quadrilateral 2. Now, what about parallelogram EFCD? That is equal to area of this quadrilateral 2 plus area of this triangle 3. But since we have proved these two triangles are equal in area, okay, 1 plus 2 should be equal to 2 plus 3, because 1 and 3 are equal, 2 and 2 are common. Therefore parallelograms between the same base and same parallels are equal in areas. Yes. This is what we have proved. So the parallelograms ABCD and EFCD are equal in areas. Yes. Any doubts so far? If you have any doubts, you may ask me in the chat. If a triangle and a parallelogram are on the same base between the same parallels, then prove that area of a triangle is equal to half of area of the parallelogram. यस, जो ट्राइंगल रहता है उसका एरिया हाफ है पैरेललोग्राम से, वो हमें प्रूव करना है. एक्चुअली फ्यू मिनट्स बैक आई हैव शोन यू दैट डायग्राम इलस्ट्रेशन. ओके, ट्राइंगल लेते हैं, सेम ट्राइंगल्स फ्लिप करते हैं, वी गेट अ पैरेललोग्राम and the area is half. Yes, so let us prove that again. Okay, let triangle ABP and parallelogram ABCD be on the same base AB and between the same parallels PC and AB. Okay, to prove area of a triangle PAB is half of ABCD. एरिया ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल क्या है हमें प्रूव करना है, दैट इज हाफ ऑफ एरिया ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम, दैट वी नीड टू प्रूव नाउ. Okay, what we need to do is we need to do some constructions. Draw BQ. Okay, draw a line, dotted line BQ parallel to AP. जो भी extra line हम draw करते हैं construction line, it needs to be dotted. So draw BQ parallel to AP to obtain another parallelogram BQPA or ABQP. Same thing. Yes. Now this is a parallelogram. Now, parallelograms ABQP and ABCD are between the same base and same parallels. Okay, their areas are same. यही अभी थोड़े मिनट पहले हमने derive किया है. If there are parallelograms between the same base and same parallels, their areas are equal. Yes. Now, area of triangle ABQP is equal to ABCD. Yes, वो हमें पता है. Now, see here, but triangle PAB is congruent to triangle BQP. Okay, ये दो triangles. Okay, diagonal divide the parallelogram in two equal exact areas or two congruent triangles. So this triangle is congruent to this triangle, or we can prove it. Okay, this side is common. Okay, opposite sides they are parallel and equal है, ये भी parallel है. With the triple S rule, these two triangles are congruent. हो गया proof. Yes. Now area of triangle PAB, this is equal to triangle BQP. Yes, agreed, because they are congruent. Area of triangle PAB is half of ABQP. Yes, they are congruent, they are equal. So this is half, this is double. So area of triangle is half of quadrilateral this. Now this quadrilateral कौन सा, ABQP, ये quadrilateral हमने क्या डिफाइन किया था पहले, what had we defined? This quadrilateral area is equal to the previous quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so yes, substitute it here. This gives us area of triangle PAB is half of area of quadrilateral ABCD. Yes, any doubts in this? Should we proceed with the next problem? Yes. Okay, for this diagram, okay, I need to draw a diagram again. Okay, so there is some error in this diagram. Yes, read the questions till then. Till then, you can read the question. Okay, read the question. What does the question says? The question says like this. Okay, now solve this. Can you solve this? Let us try to solve this. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, ABCD is a parallelogram. Yes, agreed. And AE is perpendicular to DC. चलो A से हम लोग E. Let us draw a perpendicular line. Okay, and CF is perpendicular to AD. Okay, I can yes, now it is perpendicular. Okay, CF is perpendicular to AD. Now if AB is 16, अच्छा AB side दिया है 16 centimeters and AE the perpendicular is equal to 8 centimeter, CF is 10 centimeter, find AD. Okay, ये distance जितना है, okay, we need to find it. AD is what we need to find. Now simple is that. Okay, using the base as DE, DC, and perpendicular as AE. Okay, find the area of a parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is base into altitude. You will get some area. Now use the same area and use it again. Base into altitude. This time take base as AD, altitude as CF. Find the area. Yes, do like this. Okay, and now see here. Area of the parallelogram is given by the base. AB is equal to DC hai. So both are 16. So 16 into perpendicular distance, that is 8. Okay, so 16 area is 128 centimeter square. Okay, now that is the area of parallelogram ABCD. Now use this area to equate the other altitude and base. Yes. So 128 is equal to CF into AD. We know the CF distance, that is 10 centimeter. Okay. So AD is equal to 128. Okay. AD into 10 is 128. Now AD is, sorry. CF is 10. Okay, AD we don't know. Now AD is equal to 128 divided by 10. AD will give you 12.8 centimeters. Yes, this is the answer. Thus the required length AD is 128 centimeters. Yes, this is a homework for you guys. Okay, read this, try this, and let me know the answer tomorrow. Okay, try this at home. PQRS and AVRS are parallelograms as shown. Yes, X is any point on the side BR. Show that area of triangle PQRS is equal to area of triangle ABRS. Okay, show this and also show the second part. This is a homework for you guys. Yes. Did you know this fact? Parallel is from Greek word parallelos, from the prefix para, which means beside, and plus means of one another. So parallel means besides one another. Okay, so this is what is parallel meaning. Okay, you might draw parallels between the Vietnam War and the US invention of Iraq. Yes. So what have we learned so far? क्या क्या सीखे हैं हम आज? Okay, we recalled about the base and how two figures are parallel. Figures on the same base between the same parallels, ये हमने study किया है. Parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels. All these things we have learned in the today's class. Yes, now see there is a time left, so let us discuss some homework questions. If E, F, G, H respectively are midpoints of a parallelogram of ABCD, show that this is half the area of the parallelogram. Okay, now see here how to do this. Yes, let me draw the figure properly. The figure is not properly drawn. Yes. Okay, also let me cover this alphabets. Yes, ABECD is a parallelogram now, and midpoints are E, F, G, and H. Okay, now join this parallelogram. Okay, now we need to show this is half of this. Okay, how to show this? I will give you a hint. Draw a parallel line EG. Okay, EG parallel to AD and BC. Okay, draw a parallel line. Here it won't look parallel, but if I draw accurate according to scale, it will be parallel. Now consider the parallelogram AEGD. Okay, what have we proved? The triangle is, area of a triangle is half of this parallelogram. Okay, so yes, so area of the triangle HEG. Okay, triangle HEG. Okay, this is what, this is half of parallelogram AEGD. Yes, similarly, we can say that area of triangle EFG is half of EFG. That is half of EBCG. EBCG. Now add both this. So what you get, this triangle and this triangle, you get a parallelogram. Okay, you get a parallelogram EFGH is half of this two parallelograms. Add them, you get the entire whole parallelogram ABCD. This is how you need to prove. Yes, let us take the next question. What is the next question? Show that diagonals of a parallelogram divide it into four equal triangles. Yes, let us take this parallelogram. Okay, let me take this white screen here. Now, okay, show that parallelogram. Okay, so what I will do is, it will take time for me to draw. Okay, but let me draw this correct diagram. Okay, now I will move this side here. Okay, I will move this side here. Yes, now I have drawn a parallelogram. Okay, बन गया एक correct scale parallelogram. Okay, the square is not required, so I erased it. Now we have a parallelogram. Okay, show that the diagonals divide it in four equal areas. Yes. Okay, now what we need to say is, what we need to prove is, okay, these four triangles, they are equal in area. Yes, now consider this triangle, this parallelogram ABCD. Okay, let us take where the diagonals intersect as point O. Now see here, ABD, this is a triangle. ABC, this is also a triangle between the same base and same parallels. So the area of triangle ABD is equal to area of the triangle ABC. Yes, this triangle is equal to this triangle. Now this is common between the two triangles. So this area DOA, triangle DOA is congruent to triangle BOC. Yes, this is what we have proved. Similarly, now take this two parallels and this as a base. Now this triangle will be equal to this triangle. So this will be equal to this. Now prove this and this are congruent. Okay, they have a same side. Okay, and angles, they see this diagonals bisect each other, so this side is equal to this side. Now what about the angles? Okay, so this is a parallel and this is the transversal, so this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle. The remaining angles, okay, they will be definitely equal. So using some postulate, some rule, you say these two triangles are congruent. Now all the triangles are congruent. Like this we can say. Yes, and the last, show the parallelogram ABCD and a rectangle ABEF between the same base and the same parallels are have equal area, show that the perimeter is greater than that of a rectangle. Acha. Yes. So let me have this white screen so that we can proceed to solve this. Okay, now okay, let us take a rectangle. Let us draw two lines first. Okay, I've drawn a crooked line. Let me draw it correctly. Okay, now see, I have drawn a rectangle between a base, same base, and same parallels. Okay, so let this be two parallel lines. Also, I am drawing a parallelogram. Now, let me name them. This is A, B, C, D. This is E, F. Now see, both the areas are equal. Why? Because A, B, C, D, this rectangle, it is also a parallelogram. Yes, parallelograms between the same base and same parallels, they are equal in areas. So area of rectangle ABCD is equal to area of a parallelogram ABEF. Areas to equal hai, we have proved it. Now we need to prove the perimeter of parallelogram. Okay, perimeter of parallelogram ABEF is greater than perimeter. Okay, perimeter of the rectangle ABCD. Okay, how to prove this? Now see the common sides. Okay, this AB is equal to DC in a rectangle. Okay, this AB is equal to FE in a parallelogram. So these two sides are common. हो गया. Okay, both sides are equal. Now, if we prove DA is smaller than AF or AF is greater than DA, also if we prove BE is greater than BC, we can say a perimeter of a parallelogram is greater than the perimeter of rectangle. Now consider this right angle triangle ADF. Okay, right angle triangle ADF. Yes, because this is a rectangle, interior angles will be equal to 90 degree. Huh? Now in ADF, AF is the hypotenuse and AD is one of the side. Now always hypotenuse will be the largest side in the right angle triangle. So AF is greater than AD. Similarly, in triangle BCE, BE is greater than BC. Now substitute there back. Hence, we can say area of a parallelogram is greater than area of a rectangle. Yes. Now, anything else you want to ask, you can comment in the chat. Yes, students, those who were present in the live chat. Okay, I hope you have subscribed this channel, so now you will never miss an update. Okay, so yes, the continuation part I will be taking very